Hey guys, I think I've got an exciting announcement for some of you. I'm creating a membership option for my viewers. It's gonna be a paid option, but don't worry, it's not gonna be expensive, and even if you are not a member, you're not gonna miss out on a lot. So as a member, you will have access to extra badges, emoticons and other things that YouTube has come up with. But most of all, for the members, I will be doing a special live streaming where you will be able to ask me questions. So I will post them in the community area. There will be a community tab, and there will be a special tab for members only, and I will be posting links with announcements well in advance of when the next streaming is, and I'll be doing those live streamings probably once or twice a month, because people are in different time zones, so I guess at two different times, you know. I may be doing it even more often depending how popular things are. I may add other options as well. At the moment it will be just live streaming and personal communication messages and badges, perks like this, etc. Now to join, simply click the join button. If you can't see the join button, you will find the link underneath the video that will take you to the right page. I think on iOS the join button doesn't work yet, so I think it's gonna be great. We'll see. I hope to see you there. Ask me any questions you like. By the way, check out the community tab, because I have noticed you don't check it actually. I have posted a few things there and no one has actually replied, so probably you don't know. So post things there and let's have a discussion on the community page. Guys, I'm looking forward to have you as my members and to continue have you as regular viewers. Still, there will be lots of content posted. As much as I can, you know, 2 videos a month, 4 videos a month, I don't know, we'll see how things go, you know. I try to make them and sometimes just cannot find the energy or resources for it. Okay guys, see you soon, take care.